I was scrolling Pinterest looking for cute upcycling ideas, and some of these t-shirt transformations are so good. They honestly look boutique made. Like, somebody took an old oversized shirt that probably survived 3 family reunions and turned it into something you would absolutely stop and stare at in a trendy little shop. Today, I'm showing you some of the coolest shirt upcycling ideas I found scrolling Pinterest, and I need you to tell me which one is your favorite, because once we hit 100 votes in the comments, I might recreate the winning one in my own style right here on Ms. Angela Sawyer. I linked the Pinterest board down in the description so you can look at the ideas closer and save your favorites for inspiration. Some of these are adorable, some are genius, and a couple of them made me look at my old t-shirts like, okay, so you did have potential after all. As you're watching, keep an eye out for the one you'd actually wear, because some of these transformations are surprisingly cute. One thing I really love about t-shirt upcycling is how it proves that something old, overlooked, or forgotten can become something beautiful again with a little creativity. Some of these transformations show basic oversized shirts turned into stylish tops, dresses, layered pieces, and outfits that look like they came straight from a trendy boutique. It is inspiring because it reminds you that creativity can completely change the way you see things, and something that felt boring or worn out can suddenly feel exciting again. What really stands out is how many of these ideas don't even look homemade anymore. A simple cut, tie, stitch, or added detail can completely shift the personality of a shirt. It is not about perfection, it is about vision. And sometimes the most interesting pieces are the ones that are a little unexpected or imperfect in the best way. A lot of these ideas are also beginner friendly, which makes them even more fun because you do not have to be an expert to start creating. You can experiment, try things out, and discover your own style along the way. It becomes less about following rules and more about trusting your creativity and seeing what you can turn something into. I also want to know which transformation inspired you the most, because it is always interesting to see how different people take the same basic idea and turn it into something completely unique. If you are enjoying this kind of creative inspiration, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, because I am always sharing DIY ideas, sewing inspiration, and upcycling projects that you can actually try at home. And there is a video linked in the description with tutorial videos from past videos and other creations. And before you go, there is a video linked at the end for you to check out. If you liked these t-shirt transformations, I think you are really going to enjoy that one too, and I will see you there.